Hello friends, welcome to my channel Size World. So friends, from many days I was not uploading videos because my exams were going on. So friends, from today we are going to start our continuous videos. So friends, again one time welcome to my channel. Yes, so friends, in today's video we are going to read the third chapter of 6th standard science textbook, that is diversity in living things. Yes, we will start. Diversity in living things. Can you recall in which spheres of the earth do living things exist? Yes. The geographical condition at different places on the earth are very different. We find that living things exist in all these diverse conditions. When we live in a certain place, we adjust to the condition there. Various types of living things had survived because of their ability to adjust themselves to the conditions in their surroundings. Can you tell? Are plants and animals that you have seen all alike? Diversity in plants. Various types of plants are found in many places around us. Some plants like grass are short while others are tall and have a canopy. Some plants grow underwater while some other float on water. We find that what some plants grow even in the desert. Moreover, we find that there is lot of variety in the same type of plants. For example, there are different varieties of rice or wheat, different types of roses and mangoes of different flavors. Some plants grow even without stems, leaves, or roots. These are very different from the ordinary plants. Let us study the diversity among the plants. Let us study this diversity among plants. Plants make their own food in sunlight. Such plants are called autotrophic. Plants, for example, the hibiscus, pomegranate, uh, periwinkle, etc. Some plants like fungus, loranthus, dodder use other plants for food and are said to be heterotrophic. Plants like pitcher plant even consume insects. These are insectivorous. The structure of a plant. Plant's structure can generally be divided into two parts: the stem which grows above the ground and the root which grows below the ground surface. The root, stem and leaves are the main parts of the plant. From time to time, plants bear flowers for reproduction. Flowers are transferred into fruits. Fruits have seeds. Seeds give rise to new plants. The flower. This is the most attractive part of a plant. It is connected to the stem by a stalk, which may be long or short. A flower has a typical color and shape. The flower is an important means of reproduction. The stem, the height, shape, and size of a plant depend upon the stem. The stem carries out the function of production, conduction, and storage of food. In some plants, it has the function of reproduction. It gives support to the parts of the plants. The roots. The root holds soil firmly and anchor the plants. The main function of the root are to uh, absorb and transfer water and nutrients from the soil. The roots of the carrot and radish also store food. There are two types of roots: taproot and fibrous root. So this is taproot and this is fibrous root. The leaf. The leaf is flat. It plays an important role in the production of food. Leaves are mainly of two types, simple leaves and compound leaf. This is simple leaf and this is compound leaf. Fruit. Fruits have different shapes. Fruit contain one or more seeds. The pods of beans are and peas are actually fruits. Need for classification. Up to now, information about lakhs of plants has been collected. While studying the diversity in plants, they are classified for the sake of convenience of on the basis of the similarities and differences in the structure, their organs, and their other characteristics. The scientists, hmm, yes, the scientists, Carlos Linnaeus made the first scientific classification of plants. Yes, intentionally, it was his method of classification that was studied by all. Other observe and discuss. Take a round through a garden in in your surrounding and list the plants that you see. Draw their picture as well. Draw a label as shown below and complete it on the basis of the information gathered. Discuss it in the class. Classification of plants. We can easily notice the differences in the shapes and height of plants in our surroundings. It is easy to classify the plants on the basis of this observation. Can you tell what are the similarities between a mango, a banyan, and a terminder trees? Some plants grow tall. Their stem or trunk is hard and strong. They have branches at some height above the ground. They bear flowers and fruits for many years. Such plants are called trees. Trees are tall and big and perennial. They live for many years. What are the similarities between the hibiscus, oleander, and latana plant? Shrubs. Some plants grow close to the ground. They give out branches very close to the ground. They are shorter and smaller than trees, but they have a thick and hard stem. The oleander, hibiscus, latana, coranthi, and rose are shrubs that may grow up to 2 to 3 meters. Third, what are the similarities between the fenugreek and periwinkle plant? Herbs. Herbs grow 1 to 1.5 meter tall. The stems of herbs are green and quite flexible as compared to those of other trees and bushes. Herbs may live for a few months or up to 2 years. According to the size and height of their stems, plants can be classified into three types: trees, shrubs, and herbs. Can you tell? Have you seen vines like the pumpkin, the railroad creeper, kavli, watermelon, or the grapevine? How do they grow? Vines. Some vines need vertical support to grow for growing, while some other spread on the ground. Climbers like money plant have aerial roots. Have you seen the cucumber tendrils that look like a spring? Of what use could they be? Touch the stem of any vine. That what do you feel? The stem of a creeper is very flexible, soft, and green. It grows rapidly with the help of support. Can you tell? For how many years do creeper like bajra, wheat, corn, radish, marigold live? The life cycle of the plants like jowar, sunflower is completed in 1 year. These plants are called annuals. The life cycle of plants like the carrot, beetroot is 2 years. They are called biennials. Shrubs, shrubs like hibiscus and oleander and trees like mango and gulmohar live for several years and bear flower and fruits. They are called perennials. According to the period of their lifespan, plants are classified as annuals, biennials, perennials. Can you tell? Touch the part of a plant. Plants are to which part of a plant are butterflies and insect attract. Plants that bear flower are called flowering plants, while the plants that never bear flowers are called non-flowering plants. Non-flowering plants may not have organs like root, stems, leaves. Use your brain power. What types of plants are toadstool and mushroom? What type of plant is fig? Do you firm do ferns, algae, money plant bear flowers? The Do you know the world's largest flower is found in Indonesia? The diameter of the flower of the plant Rafflesia a- aeronaldi is about 1 meter. The world's smallest flower is of the plant called Wolfia or duckweed. Its diameter is as small as 0.05 millimeter. Can you tell which of those pomegranate shrubs grow? Where does the pomegranate shrubs grow? Where do Bulshar, the railroad creeper grow? Where does the lotus grow? Where does the dodder plant grow? We see different plants growing in different places around us. Plants can be classified according to their habitat or the place where they grow. Land, water, marshy areas, deserts, and even a big tree and the various habits of plants. Diversity and classification in animals. Different animals have developed different shapes to survive. In the environment, there is a great variety in the body structure of animals too. The amoeba that can't be seen with our eyes, the huge elephant that and the small snail, the fish that swims in water, a kite that flies high in the sky, butterflies that flit around the flowers, a house lizard that crawls on the walls are all animals. Each has different characteristics. Animals have body parts like head, neck, torso, tail, limbs for, for movement. They have various organ systems which carry on various functions inside their body. In the in this respect to their is lot of diversity in animals. Can you tell what are the difference in the body structure of animals like snakes, a lizard, a tiger, a fish, an eagle, a hen, a crab, a housefly, an earthworm, a crocodile, and a grasshopper? We see a variety of animals which respect to their food as well. Since animals depend on other for their food, they are found in places where the food is available. Different animals have different methods of obtaining and eating food. This too leads to the to different in the body structure. Try this. Observe the animal in your surrounding. Take a list of Take a list of their names. Complete the following table on the basis of information obtained and discuss in the class. Will You will not see all animals in your own surrounding. Why is it so? Which are the other animals that you know of but you have not seen? Collect information about them using the above table. Take a help from the website like www. And this website you can see. Yes. Take a drop of water from a puddle and place it on the glass slide. Observe it under a microscope. What do you see? When a drop of water from a puddle is seen under a microscope, innumerable microbes can be seen moving about in it. You will see the continuously moving amoeba. The paramecium is also a unicellular animal like the amoeba. A horse, a bear, a tortoise are multicellular animals. What is a chain of bones in the center of our back called? Animals with the vertebral column and those who without it, if two groups known as vertebrates and invertebrates respectively. Snakes, birds, and kangaroos, uh, as also humans are humans are vertebrate animals. Animals such as snails, cockroaches, earthworms do not have a vertebral column and therefore they are invertebrate animals. Name of some animals which lay eggs and other which give birth to their young ones. We have we have learned that producing another living thing like one is called reproduction. A hen lays eggs and hatches them. After a few days, the young chicks hatch out of the eggs. A cow gives birth to a calf. Before that, the calf grows within the cow's body. According to the mode of reproduction, animals are classified into two types, namely oviparous, which lay eggs, and viviparous, which give birth to their young ones. Third one. Where are the animals, namely a horse, a bear, a tortoise, an alligator, a fish, a deer, and a frog to be found? According to their habitat, animals are usually classified terrestrial and aquatic animals. However, animals like a frog, salamander, toad live in both places, namely land and water. Therefore, they are called amphibian animals. A kite and an eagle, a crow, a butterfly, a honeybee, all fly in the air. Though they live in different places, these animals are said to have an aerial mode of life. Yes, friends, always remember in the living world, a lot of diversity is seen both in animals and plants. Every plant and animal is unique. We should all make efforts to converse this diversity in the living things. What we have learned. Plants are classified on the on basis of their height and the shape of their stem, period of life cycle and habitat. Animals are classified on the basis of their cellular structure, vertebral column, method of reproduction and habitat. Yes friends, so our today's reading is over, and friends, in next video we are going to discuss the notes of some chapter. Yes, so friends, bye for today, and like this video, subscribe to my channel, share to your friends, and comment how was my reading. So friends, bye for today. Bye.